Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Chitkal IELTS Academic with Professor Usman Ghani. Yes, today we are going to discuss IELTS speaking part 3 strategies, and we are going to understand what are the different techniques to answer IELTS speaking part 3 ideas type questions. So first, I told you an ideas type question, you are supposed to give an idea, you are supposed to give solution, and you are supposed to give the causes and conditions for something that is asked. So you have to think on something, then you have to speak English. I mean, you have to communicate that in English. Ideas type question में पहली चीज तो ये होगी कि आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. For example, how can unemployment be eradicated? अब आप अगर सोचते नहीं है तो आप इसका आंसर नहीं कर सकते. यू हैव टू थिंक एन आइडिया एंड देन यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट एन आइडिया. इन दोनों चीजों में जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है दैट इज एक्चुअली प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एन आइडिया. हाउ यू प्रेजेंट समथिंग, हाउ यू प्रेजेंट एन आइडिया. आइडिया आपका कितना स्ट्रॉन्गर है और कितना स्ट्रॉन्गर नहीं है, दैट इजंट समथिंग व्हिच मैटर्स मोस्ट. व्हाट मैटर्स मोस्ट इज how you actually structure your answer. For example, you see in front of me, can you please read this question for me?
Yeah. Unemployment among the young people is a major problem in many countries. Can you suggest any solutions?
Thank you. Unemployment among young people is a major problem in many countries. This is actually the condition they have told you, that there is unemployment in many countries. Now what the question is, can you suggest any solutions? As I've told you, what's the difference between ideas and opinion type question is, in ideas type question you're supposed to give solution, you're supposed to actually give remedy, and you're supposed to give or make some policies for something that has been told. तो यहाँ पर आपने कोई भी सॉल्यूशन इसका देना है, यू हैव टू मेक एन आइडिया. और उसमें जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है दैट इज एक्चुअली स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन आइडिया. आई हैव टोल्ड यू थिंग्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू गिव ए स्टार्टर, देन यू गिव एन इनिशियल आइडिया, फिर उस इनिशियल आइडिया को आप एक्सपैंड करते हैं. आफ्टर एक्सपैंडिंग दैट आइडिया आप ट्रांजिशनल यूज करते हैं. आफ्टर यूजिंग ट्रांजिशनल्स यू मूव ऑन टू गिव द सेकंड आइडिया. उसके बाद फिर आप इसको कंक्लूड कर देते हैं. तो 4 से 5 स्टेप्स हैं. गिविंग ए स्टार्टर, देन गिविंग इनिशियल आइडिया, एक्सपैंडिंग दैट आइडिया, एंड देन यूजिंग एन एग्जांपल, फॉर एग्जांपल मे बी, और गिविंग द कॉज ऑफ दैट आइडिया दैट यू हैव प्रोवाइडेड, और गिविंग एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट आइडिया यू हैव प्रोवाइडेड, देन गिविंग ट्रांजिशन, देन गिविंग सेकंड आइडिया, और फिर सेकंड आइडिया के बाद आप उसको क्या करते हैं, आप उसको कंक्लूड कर देते हैं. सो दीज आर 5 to 7 stages that you structure an answer. यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we try to understand this answer. For example, can you please read the answer for me?
Well, I suppose the main solution would be to improve the education standards among the young people by spending more on schools and universities. This would help to find the people. It would help people find the jobs, and hopefully the jobs would be better paid as well. Another step would be to encourage the employers to hire more young people by subsidizing their salaries or offering the tax breaks to make the employing them more affordable. I also think that some countries could reduce the unemployment benefits to the young people to stop them living the welfare instead of working. These things are difficult to do, and they might be rather unpopular, but I feel that they would clearly work.
Very well done. Thank you so much.
Certainly work.
Okay, thank you. I told you in the beginning कि पहली जो चीज that you will do in answering the IELTS ideas type question would be giving a starter. So well is a starter that usually is used. Well, this is the starter. Okay, after the starter he is going to give an idea. So what idea give? I suppose the main solution would be to improve education standards among the young people. So this is initial idea the candidate has provided. और इनिशियल आइडिया क्या है कि आप अपनी एजुकेशन का स्टैंडर्ड जो है उसे इम्प्रूव कर दें यंग पीपल में, ताकि उनकी स्किल, उनका नॉलेज, उनकी जो ग्रिप ऑन अ सब्जेक्ट और प्रोफेशन है दैट इज मोर अपेरेंट. ये एक आइडिया है, ये आइडिया आपको खुद से जनरेट करना होगा, यानी कोई और भी आइडिया हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the government should give more facilities and they should provide more industries so that more people can be employed. अच्छा, अब ये एक आइडिया है, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो आइडिया दिया जा रहा है वो ये कि एजुकेशन स्टैंडर्ड्स जो है वो बेहतर कर दिए जाएं. अब ये इनिशियल आइडिया है. नाउ वी आर सपोज्ड टू गिव extended idea on that initial idea, and that is by subsidizing more on schools and universities. अब उसने उसी इनिशियल आइडिया को एक्सपैंड किया है और आगे उसने उसका बताया कि हाउ वुड वी डू दिस, हाउ कैन वी इम्प्रूव एजुकेशन among young people. by spending more on schools and universities, we'll have to allocate more budget on schools and universities. तो आपने कोई भी बात blank नहीं करनी. First, you gave a starter. Second, you gave an initial idea, and third, you actually expanded that idea with by spending more on schools and universities. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very well done. Okay, and now he is giving cause of what he said. This would help people find jobs, and hopefully the jobs would be better paid as well. अब ये उसने इस जो फर्स्ट आइडिया दिया है, उस आइडिया की उसने कॉज बता दी है, उसके रिजल्ट्स बता दिए, कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस बता दिए कि फर्स्ट व्हाट वी शुड डू, वी शुड improve education. How would we improve education? Spending more on schools and universities. And what result it would give? It will make people find jobs, and these jobs would be better paid as well. So this is the structure that you have to follow. Even if your idea is very, very, very great, but you do not structure your idea the way it has been structured, you're not going to secure good grades. Are you please following my point? What I actually?
I'm following your point.
That's very good.
So,
just keep in mind. This is very, very important thing I'm telling you. Okay, then I told you that you will be asked to, you would be using transition. For example, another step would be, this is actually the second idea he's going to give. Another step would be to encourage employers to hire more young people. ये एक और आइडिया वो दे रहा है, वो ये कि आप यंग पीपल जो हैं, जो जवान लॉट है, आप उसको एम्प्लॉय करें, हायर करें by subsidizing their salaries or offering tax breaks to make employing them more affordable. By subsidizing their salaries, उनकी जो सैलरीज हैं उनको सब्सिडाइज करें, और offering tax breaks या tax breaks जो हैं उनको वो ऑफर करें to make employing them more affordable, ताकि उनकी जो employment है उनके लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो है वो affordable हो सके. This is how he has given the second idea, and he has expanded that idea. अच्छा, number 3, he's giving another idea. I also think that some countries could reduce unemployment benefits to young people to stop them living on welfare instead of working. To stop them living welfare instead of working. वो ये कह रहा है, I also think that some countries could reduce employment benefits. कि employment benefits जो हैं उसको reduce कर दें, कि ऐसा ना हो कि एक शख्स employ हुआ है तो उसको benefits इतने ज़्यादा मिल रहे हैं, unemployment benefits जो हैं उनको reduce कर दिया जाए. Let's suppose somebody is not employed and he is getting benefits, तो unemployment benefits जो हैं उनको reduce कर दिया जाए, तो automatically क्या होगा, लोग employment की तरफ आएंगे. For example, the one who is not employed, he is getting everything he wants, so what will be the difference between the one who is employed and who isn't? तो वो तो नहीं जाएगा ना जॉब की तरफ. जॉब की तरफ तो ज्यादा अट्रैक्शन तब होगी कि जो एम्प्लॉयड है आप उसको बहुत ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव पर्क्स दें, बोनसेस दें, उसे फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करें कि जो अनएम्प्लॉयड है उनका भी दिल करे कि भाई एम्प्लॉयड हो जाए. ये आइडिया समझ आ रहा है वैसे?
जी सर.
शाबाश. आई ऑल्सो थिंक दैट
उनको जो है ना, हमने एक तरह से एक रिश्वत दिखानी है कि भाई आप एम्प्लॉयमेंट करेंगे तो आपको ये चीज मिलेगी. जी
जी बिल्कुल ऐसी है. फॉर एग्जांपल आप हैं, आप एक माशाल्लाह कंपनी में हैं, अल्लाह आपको बरकत दे, आपको गाड़ी मिली है, आपको सैटरडे संडे छुट्टी होती है, और फिर 6 मंथली आपको बोनस मिलता है, तो डेफिनेटली आपके जो इर्द गिर्द हैं लोग, वो ये कहेंगे कि प्लीज लेट अस come and join you, and please make some space for us as well. And they would ask you to put in their CVs to your institution. तो ये होता है, ठीक है. I also think that some countries could reduce unemployment benefits to young people. Young people को जो unemployment के benefits हैं उनको reduce कर दें. किस लिए? To stop them living on welfare instead of working. कि वो welfare पे जिंदा रहें बजाय इसके कि वो work करें और उस पे जिंदा रहें. उनको काम करना चाहिए. So this is the third idea is giving. अच्छा, अब इसको वो conclude कर रहे हैं. These things are difficult to do and they might be rather unpopular. ये मुश्किल भी हैं and unpopular भी हैं, but I feel that they would certainly work. But I feel that they would certainly work means he is actually concluding his sentence and concluding the thing he wants to say. अब हमने देखा कि it has almost 5 different steps. Number 1 was giving starter, number 2 was giving initial idea, then expanding that idea, and then giving consequences of that idea. Okay, तो ये तकरीबन उसने 2 से 3 sentences के अंदर एक बात की. Next comes a transition, then he gives another idea and he gives causes of that how would we do this? By subsidizing their salaries or offering tax breaks to make employment more affordable. And then it gives third idea. I also think that some countries could reduce unemployment benefits to young people. आगे उसकी वो बता रहा है कि जो इस तरह करेंगे तो उससे होगा क्या? To stop them living on welfare instead of working. And then he gives conclusion, these things are difficult to do and might be rather unpopular, but I feel that they would certainly work. Hopefully you have got an idea how to structure IELTS ideas type questions.
Yeah, sir, I got this. But when I'm going to practice, then I will just better understand.
Inshallah. I'd ask you may take a screenshot for this, please. आप इसका screenshot ले लें, or you are supposed to just prepare the same answer with different ideas. Take a screenshot for this,
So
please.
basically, I have the book PDF.
Okay, did I send you this book?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very great. आप इसी question को you are supposed to prepare the same questions,
But
and you have to prepare and you have to prepare two different questions on the same question. यानी इसी question पर आप दो answers करेंगे, and their ideas should be different. What you have to follow the very structure I've told. Clear?
Okay.
चले शाबाश. यानी आपने यही क्वेश्चन करना है. Unemployment among young people is major problem in many countries. Can you suggest any solutions? And you are supposed to give me two answers on this very questions. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's very great. And why do some young people want to become teachers? Do you want me to read this as well?
No, I'll read it by myself. Just let me know what I have to do.
You have to
my
prepare three
assignment-
questions. You have to prepare three questions. Number one, two
Okay.
questions on the same question. Unemployment among young people is a major problem in the
Okay.
countries. Can you suggest any solutions? You have to use starter first of all, then initial idea, then expand idea, then give reason, then transition, then another idea, expand idea, then conclusion, and then move to the third idea, and then expand idea, give cause, and then conclude the sentence. And you have to do this in
Okay,
among
there
maximally
should be-
5 sentences. Okay.
Okay, there should be one idea, or we should mention the two ideas, right?
You can give two ideas at least. You can give two ideas at least. Actually, this is part 3 question, and it should be a bit longer than the first one we did.
Okay, sir, I have a question over there.
Hmm?
Like, we should be given the time to think about and then to speak over that topic, or
No, you won't have time actually. You will be just speaking this. You can take a few seconds, but you won't probably given much time. Okay. So that's why I'm saying that you have to practice it.
okay, so that's why we should have the basic knowledge of the basic things.
Yes, we definitely should have. And inshallah, after doing these mocks with seriousness, inshallah, will enable you to prepare these questions. This is not a big deal. You can do this. As I'm asking you that you have to prepare 3 questions by tomorrow, inshallah, you will feel yourself a bit confident. When you are very good at structure, finding an idea would not be a problem. For example, why do some young people want to become teacher? Because it is very relaxing. It is something in which they can talk whatever they wish to, and it is something helping the society. It is something that gives mental and psychological peace. And some people are actually
Moreover, it increases our knowledge about our subject.
definitely. There are a lot of जी जी बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है. जी बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है. You can get a lot of ideas. The basic thing is how you present that idea. अब ये मुश्किल नहीं है, लेकिन इस idea को present कैसे करना है, ठीक है? This is something which the question is actually. Got it?
Okay, I'll do it.
Inshallah. Dear, I think for today it is sufficient, and I hope I'll be looking forward to you with a great response and preparing IELTS speaking part 3 questions by tomorrow.
Inshallah, sir.
Inshallah.
The timing would
It would be same time. It would be 9:10 p.m. as per Pakistan time, inshallah.
all right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Wish you good luck. Allah Hafiz. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.